Microsoft Loop vs Notion compared, which is better? Microsoft Loop and Notion are both productivity apps that allow users to create and collaborate on documents, notes, and tasks. They both have a wide range of features, but there are some key differences between the two. Microsoft Loop is a newer app that is still under development. It is designed to be integrated with other Microsoft 365 apps, such as Teams, Outlook, and OneNote. Loop is built on the Fluid framework, which allows users to create and share interactive content in real time. Loop also includes a number of AI-powered features, such as Copilot, which can help users write more quickly and accurately. Notion is a more established app that has been around for several years. It is not integrated with other apps in the same way that Loop is, but it offers a wider range of features. Notion includes a number of different types of blocks, such as text, tables, lists, and embeds. It also has a number of powerful features for collaboration, such as version control and commenting. Which app is right for you? If you are looking for an app that is integrated with other Microsoft 365 apps and that offers a number of AI-powered features, then Microsoft Loop is a good choice. If you are looking for an app that offers a wider range of features and that is more established, then Notion is a good choice. Here is a more detailed comparison of the two apps. Microsoft Loop. Pros: integrated with other Microsoft 365 apps. Built on the Fluid framework for real-time collaboration. Includes a number of AI-powered features, such as Copilot. Cons: still under development. Limited feature set compared to Notion. Notion. Pros: wide range of features. More established app. Powerful collaboration features, such as version control and commenting. Cons: not integrated with other apps in the same way as Loop. Can be more difficult to learn than Loop. Ultimately, the best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for an app that is easy to use and that offers a wide range of features, then Notion is a good choice. If you are looking for an app that is integrated with other Microsoft 365 apps and that offers a number of AI-powered features, then Microsoft Loop is a good choice.